Hey everyone, I would like to welcome you back to another video. As you can see today, I don't have no glitter. I was just like, today's not the day for all that. But I got another Tokyo treat box, of course. This time, hopefully, I make a lot less mistakes than what I made like for the last video, because it was rough, okay? Like, it was rough, but like, you know, it was my very first video. This is like my second, so you know, it's not really gonna be like major changes in what I do, but hopefully it's like a slight change, or it's enough change that it's not like, you know, as terrible as that last box was. This time I'm gonna try to remember all the important stuff, but let's gonna hop up on into this. So, the new box is in. I'm excited. So, it's the September box. So, I mean, I know y'all like, oh wait, it's not September yet. But, nobody cares. It's close to the end. It's close to September. So, my box is here. So, I'm going to go on and review the box ASAP. I know I'm lame, y'all. Don't clap at me. But, it says, can you believe it's already September? Japan is very big on seasonal and trending flavors. So this month, we wanted to bring you a selection of seasonal snacks that reflects the mix of flavors you will see all around Japan this time of year. We put together some extra fresh and tasty treats for you that we hope you'll love. The Tokyo treat. Cool. So, of course, I have the premium box, but I'm like so stoked on this. Of course, I'm gonna let y'all take a look at some of the items. You know, I'm gonna show everything to y'all, but like, y'all, I'm excited. So, first things first. Of course, this is, I have to like match it up, but this is Yazoo salt lemon potato chips. So it's a sour and salty combination. And look, of course, I can't even open the bag. Like, ooh, it smells different. It doesn't smell like the last ones. On a scale, 1 to 10, oh, they banging. I give them a 10. They, taste like lemon. Like, literally, what it say it tastes like is literally what it tastes like. Which is awesome. Because a lot of times, they'll say it tastes like this, but it really don't. Next, bam, some Pocky. I love this like so much. Like, I like murdered the cookies and cream. So this is cocoa mint, chocolate mint. It say cocoa on the box, but it's really chocolate. I only got them in little separate packs. So let's struggle. It broke. They're just like stuck together. It's alright. I'm gonna give it a 10 because they're banging. I'm gonna leave these out the box because I'm gonna murder them after this video. That makes me happy. So next is this, and it is a Detective Crone. I know I said that name wrong, but it's a chocolate bar. Ooh, it's not as big as I thought. It looks like, well, it's kind of melting, but it looks like a chocolate it's not nasty, but I'm not a chocolate person. It tastes like strawberries too. It's really. Oh, there go that taste of chocolate. Just smack you in the face. Like, man. But it's really good. Like, this is a watermelon gummy. Since I opened it, I've been eyeing it. And it's a watermelon gummy. Yeah. Let me stop. I know I'm lying, y'all. I can't even get it out the pack. Oh. It's a watermelon gummy. My camera don't focus sometimes. It makes me mad. I be like, focus on the right thing, and it's just like, no. But it's a watermelon gummy. It's good too. It's not too sweet, and it's not too much gumminess. It's like just the right amount. What is this? I don't even know how to pronounce this. Yaokin Saba. So it's some noodles, basically. So I'm gonna open it like this, just in case I don't like it. I'm gonna be like, no thanks. I'm scared. They just, I don't even know how to explain what it is. Like, I can't. I don't know. It just, I can't. I can't with that one. I'm gonna have to get that one a 0. I can't. So, it's a mint treat. I'm kind of nervous because I'm not a big mint flavor person. But I like trying new things, so I'm not gonna clap it. It's a little fish. Anyway, it's a little fishy. So he's kind of a big one. That way you can see his whole body. He got like a really nice design on him. So, guess I'm gonna just bite it. It's actually really good. And me, I hate anything mint with a passion. But these mints been popping. Some fried potato chips. Fried potato chips. Oh, I'm clapped. It look like a French fry. Oh, these are life. They're just like, bring my senses back to life. Those are really good. I don't like when stuff gets stuck in my teeth. It's just me. I'm weird. I'm like randomly just picking stuff up. Soda soft candy. I'm excited because the candy I had last month, I loved it. It's white. It got like this gummy stuff in it. So, hopefully it's all right. It tastes like a Twizzler mixed with a Jolly Rancher. Mixed with some bubble gum. I actually like it though. Like, honestly, I actually like it. Like, I'm feeling a lot of these. Like, these things are banging. Next, melon bread biscuits. So that sounds very unique. Like, a melon bread biscuit. I don't really know how to, like, react to that, because it's just like, I don't know, you never know what to expect. Like, you might think it tastes one way and it end up tasting a whole different way from what you expected. Like, you just never know. So it reminds me of those, I don't know what it's called, but the cookies you put on top of banana pudding. It'll come to me after, like, this whole video. It's filling in the middle. It's chocolate in the middle. Bam. So this right here is, I'm like feeling it. I actually don't even know. Must be something. I don't know. What is this? It's really, oh. Oh, this is the mystery item. It's crunched up, but can't do it. Too sweet. It's not nasty, but it's too sweet for me. Here's these sticks again. You know, eventually we're gonna find one of these that I just like am in love with, but I'm kind of scared because I'm like not a big fan of the sticks. Like, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm weird. Ah. It's a no-go. Rice crackers. This should be a good one. I actually like rice crackers. I'll take that back. I need some water to rinse that one out. That was a no-go. Alright, so wasabi. I don't know, I just thought I might be able to see it. smells strong. Oh Lord, y'all, I'm scared. I ain't even gonna lie, I ain't gonna cap. Ew. Can't be afraid to try everything in life, which I take a look at it. It has like a really hot, spicy smell to it, which is like, duh, it's wasabi, like what I expect, but like, hey, I might thought it might be sweet or something. I can't even swallow that. No. No thanks. No thanks. I'm a cow. Say woo. So it's some cheese chips. I like these. Just like cheese puff, just not in a cheese puff shape. But it doesn't, kind of like a baked cheese puff. Next is Melon Jello DIY. So, alright, so basically, pour all this stuff into the bowl. Came with a little straw. Alrighty. Then fill the bowl with about 2/3 of water. Hopefully that's 2/3 because I sure don't know. Alright, and this says stir for about a minute. So, we're just going to stir it. I'm going to just stir it. I'm going to just keep on stirring. Ooh. Just say for a minute. And then drink your delicious melon soda snack. Actually, guys, let me tell you. The last video I did not know that in the book it showed you how to do the DIY. So I was just sitting here looking dumb trying to figure it out, and I didn't even know. And I'm like, So after the video, I was smart enough to look through it, and then I was like, oh wow, really? It's gonna tell me the instructions? Like, don't they know I'm slow? Oh, but for this month, the Pocky Cocoa Mint, the chocolate mint Pocky sticks, was the feature snack, which is really cool because I just love it with all my life. Like, yes, it's like literally my favorite. So I think I've been stirring now for about a minute. I mean, I kind of feel like it's all mixed up well in there. It's kind of jello-y. It reminds me of some slime. It's actually really good. Look at me making my own jello and junk. Get all fancy with throwing my pinkies up. That was really fun. I like that. It was really sweet too. So next is with the premium. We have some clustered I don't know. All I know is I've been seeing this. So, it's time to give it a try. Okay, here we go. I'm scared because it's chocolate. I'm not a big chocolate person. Here we go. I'm nervous. It's sweet. It's really sweet. Like, and of course, the drink. Oh, it's watermelon soda. Ooh, crisp. It kind of smells like they literally drained a watermelon. Should have told me I had something on my face. God. It literally tastes like they had some type of like soda and like stabbed the watermelon up with it, the watermelon, and then drained it all into this bottle. Like, it really tastes like watermelon. Like, every time I drink, I think about like it makes me think about me biting into a watermelon. But other than that, that is the end of all my treats. I'm really happy that y'all joined. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button and turn your bell on so you can get notified whenever I do another video. But hopefully y'all will join me back for next month's video, which will be October, which I'm really excited for because it's Halloween. So, thanks guys.